Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make Excel work faster using AI? So in this video, I'll show you how to use Claude with Excel step by step. Claude AI can't run inside Excel directly, but you can use it to create formulas, clean data, and automate your work. So you're going to open Claude and ask for formulas. For example, write an Excel formula to calculate profit percentage, and Claude will give you ready to use formulas. Now you're going to open Excel and paste the formula into a cell. Select a cell, paste formula, and press enter. Excel will instantly calculate the result. You can also use Claude to clean data. For example, if you have a lot of data, you can ask Claude to remove duplicates in Excel and tell it how to clean messy text data. Claude will give you step-by-step guide. You can also ask Claude to help design spreadsheets and then build it manually in Excel. If you're stuck, just paste your Excel problem into Claude and ask fix this Excel issue. It will solve it like a tutor. And that's how you can use Claude in Excel. It won't replace Excel, but it does make you 10 times faster. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.